The Bronx is lighting up this holiday season. New York State Assembly Member Nathalia Fernandez partnered with the Bronx Jewish Center for Community Menorah and Christmas tree lighting celebration in the Pelham Parkway section of the Bronx.
This is a tradition we try to do, at least for the last couple of years here in Pelham Parkway. And while we couldn't have done it the way we usually done, with carolers and a nice big crowd celebrating in the moment, we felt that even virtually we could celebrate with the community.
The celebration garnered a small group in compliance with COVID-19 safety measures, but Fernandez encouraged community members to celebrate virtually. The Assembly member highlighted the importance of enjoying the little things this holiday season.
Little things like this, seeing a tree, seeing lit up street lights, it ignites the holiday spirit in you. So while we can't actually be in an event together celebrating, when you see it walking down the street, driving by, you'll know that somebody is celebrating and thinking of you.
Guiding everyone in prayer and song for the pre-Hanukkah celebration and menorah lighting, the presence of light had a deeper meaning for Bronx Jewish Center Rabbi Saadia Pewzner, who says the light gives people something to look forward to.
It's also important that people feel that there's something to look forward to, there's something good, there's something positive, and something good that they could go to and relate to. And the Hanukkah menorah is very demonstrative of that. Is the little light lights up a lot of darkness. It's a little menorah, but it lights up all around. And the message is that every person has a light in their life, has something good to bring out, and we just need to uncover and shine that little light.
You can see the lights on display until January 6th on the corner of Esplanade and Williamsbridge. Reporting for BronxNet, Kibin, Alleyne.